In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your SignNow subscription. Whether you've found an alternative solution or simply no longer need it, I'm here to help you navigate through the cancellation process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening up the SignNow dashboard. This is essentially your central hub, where you can manage and monitor all your SignNow activities. Familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, as it will make this process smoother. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu. You can find this by glancing towards the lower left corner of your screen. Look for the familiar gear icon, which is commonly used to symbolize settings in many software applications. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings page. Now that you're in the Settings area, your next action is to locate the Billing and Subscription section. This is where all of your account's financial details and subscription status are neatly organized. It's crucial to access this section because it contains all the relevant information needed to manage your subscription, including canceling it. Take a moment to explore this section if you're not already familiar with it. Within the Billing and Subscription section, you should notice a hyperlink that specifically addresses your current subscription status. It will likely read something like, "Cancel your subscription." It's typically placed in a noticeable position, but if it's not immediately apparent, take a second to scan through the details and options listed in this section. Clicking on this hyperlink is what you need to do next. Upon clicking the cancellation link, SignNow will ask for confirmation to ensure that you really want to proceed with the cancellation. This is an essential safety net for users who may click accidentally. If you're certain about your decision, go ahead and click on Cancel Free Trial if you are still in the trial phase, or Cancel Subscription if it's the full service that you're stopping. However, if you find yourself second-guessing or need a moment to think it over, there's always the option to hit Return to My Account, which will take you back without making any changes. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, be sure to check your email for any confirmation messages that might require your attention. It's always a good idea to keep this documentation handy just in case you need to refer back to it in the future. And there you have it. Canceling your SignNow subscription is as simple as following these straightforward steps. Remember, if you ever decide to return, you can always sign back up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.